Hi guys, welcome to Chef Lolo's kitchen. My name is Udo Shiamaka. Our today's recipe is delicious Nigeria beef fried rice. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscription button and hit the notification bell to get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you. Here are my vegetables: green beans, carrots, my onion, I have my spring onion, I have my green pea, my green pepper, my mixed spices, and of course I chop my vegetable off camera, my liver and my beef. In a pot I added my meat. Please don't be angry about the meat color. I added my Maggi off camera. I added my onion to bring out the aroma of the meat. As you all know, onions is very good in cooking meat. And I added some water, and as you can see, the Maggi is also in the water. I'm so sorry about it. Then I added my spices. I used Benny for the spices. Then after that, I covered to cook for some time. After some time, I checked the meat again. As you can see, I'm stirring it, and the meat is not yet cooked. It's not yet cooked, and I covered it. After some time, I opened the pot again, and my meat is already done. And I started scooping it out. At this time, the aroma in my kitchen was so heavenly. And I love scooping onion together with the meat out because I love using it to fry meat. So I don't know how you guys scoop your own meat out, but this is how I do my own. And at this time the aroma in my kitchen was so heavenly. And as you can see, I added some water in my beef stock, and I added my mixed spices. I added it adequately to suit the water, and I added my pepper. I added enough because I love pepper a lot. I stirred to make sure it blends with the mixture. I stirred it very well. This time the aroma in my kitchen is giving obedient with a touch of go and get your favorite. I added some curry to make sure the color is giving, and I added 2 cubes of Maggi. I covered and allowed to boil. After some minutes, I checked it and it's already boiling. I added some rice. I washed the rice off camera. I added some rice. After adding my rice into the mixture, in chemistry we call it solution, I covered it with foil. As you can see, I'm covering it, and I covered and allowed to cook for some time. And after some time, I opened to check if it's done, and as you can see, our rice is already done. And those green things you are seeing is my green peas. I'm sorry for not showing when I put it off camera. I'm sorry. I covered and set it aside. In a pan, I added some oil. Enough oil, and I added my meat. And I stirred and allowed it to fry till it's golden brown. And after some time, my meat is already fried, and I scooped it out. I started scooping it out. Guys, as you can see how small this meat is. It wasn't the same when we cooked it. All these bushers are deceiving people. So in the same oil, I added my onion. I added enough onion because I love onions aroma in food. Not that I like onion like that, but I just love the aroma. Then after that, I added my vegetable. I started with green pea and I fried till it's soft. Depends on how you guys love it. Oh, if you love it crunchy, you fry for 2 minutes. And I added my green pepper. I added my carrots, and I start frying till it's soft. I fried for 5 minutes. Yeah, I added my spring onion. That was last thing I added so that it will not be too soft. And after that, I added my meat. Yeah, I added my meat so that the flavor will incorporate. Then after, I added my rice and I started incorporating it. Yeah, guys, as you can see, our rice is giving Obidati 2023. And go and get your PVC. This is the outcome of our rice, guys. You can see